Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by eliminating easy causes, so you tackle the real problem. First, remove the case and any magnetic mounts. Once done, toggle vibration in settings and run a vibration test so you can compare behavior. Make sure Do Not Disturb and app-specific haptics are off. If the phone gives inconsistent pulses, note when that happens. These steps narrow whether the issue is software, settings, or physical, so act now and record the symptoms before you open anything. You proceed by separating software faults from hardware ones. Boot into safe mode and test vibration. If it's fixed, uninstall the last apps you installed. If not, update the OS and clear cache partitions to remove corrupt system files. Make sure to power off, use an ESD strap, and remove the back cover to inspect the vibrator flex cable and connector. A loose connector or dented motor often causes weak or irregular vibration. Tighten screws and receipt connectors, then retest to see progress. You finish by replacing or repairing the faulty component when hardware is confirmed. Install a compatible vibrator motor or module, secure the connector, and reassemble the phone carefully. Once assembled, run multiple vibration patterns and calibrate in settings or a test app so you confirm consistent strength. If inconsistent behavior remains, back up and perform a factory reset to remove lingering software issues. If that fails, contact warranty service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.